everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, another vlog today. We're gonna be me and my babe only.
And us!
Psych, we have them. We have company today, unfortunately. We are going, we're stopping by a Starbucks right now to get some drinks. Our plan was to go to Alki, but that didn't work out because it was too busy. So, we're getting Starbucks. We got some Dick's Burgers, and then we're gonna go to, I think we're going to Redondo. I'm not sure. Oh, so for those who don't know, this is Maryland. And this is Katie. Two annoying birds over there. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, taste it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah?
It's better with coconut.
I told you. Alright guys, so we made it. We're here at Redondo now.
You guys need ketchup? 25
Yeah.
cents, please.
We got some burgers and we got our drinks.
Hold me.
See? Litter.
Your crusty toes.
No!
Alright. So it looks like they're gonna put their feet in the water.
They're gonna slip.
Wait, not
Water?
that way,
Yeah,
right?
that's one.
Where are you guys going? Dead end. They don't know what to do. Come this way. If you're falling in there, I'm not rescuing you. So like I was saying, this one right here is Lionel's sister. This one's my sister. And they're both very close in age, so they became best friends. How crazy. So yeah, Lionel want to go get in line. That way when they come back, we can, because there's other people trying to do it, so we can get the doubles. I will see you guys in a bit when we get to that point.
Close out.
Oh my god, Marilyn's literally collecting all of these damn shells. This one's pretty though.
I found a turtle. I mean, a crab.
Crab?
It was
threw it.
It was a baby one.
Guys, they arrested someone.
Oh my Jesus.
Put it on.
Got me crazy.
Wait, so we can't take videos on the boat?
Okay.
Unless you wanna drop it?
1, 2, 3. Okay. This one's for you. This one's for you, and I'll have to go grab yours. Yeah.
Here.
A ver tu fuck.
I did.
Need mine extended.
Why? Oh.
Can't zip it.
Okay.
Okay, what's it? Cheaply. Okay, let me know.
I don't want to do this.
I'm scared.
Ah,
I don't trust Mayella.
Shut up.
Lionel, what
We're not going too far in there. We're not gonna go too deep.
You're not gonna know how to do it.
Calm down.
Your pocket's right here too. You want?
Katie,
Amárrate eso tú.
Mayella wants to go with you. You're gonna go in the front or the back?
Okay. Have you four gone out before?
Nope.
Oh my god, you guys, this is so scary. Marilyn, you having fun there?
That's different.
Don't!
That's different.
No! Babe, are you not gonna help me? I can't get up.
Yes, you can.
I really can't. I can't. My butt is so wet.
All of ours
Go,
is wet.
go.
Go!
Now.
Go! No. 1. Yeah, ice cream.
Yay! So we made it alive out of the canoes, kayaking. All of our butts are wet though. Look, look, Leno, show them.
Look at mine. Mine's
You actually showed them? You showed them your butt? Who do you think you were showing your butt? So did you guys like it?
Yeah. I'm gonna go dry my butt right now. Next time, I'm gonna sit in the back. Yeah,
Huh?
we did so much work in the front. And we're the little one!
So we got some free paletas. The guy was nice.
What if they're not Mexican? It's in English. We got free ice
Understand
cream.
me. Really?
Hey, remember we were here for anniversary?
Yeah. What year was that? What anniversary?
Oh, 2011.
I think it was our 3rd anniversary.
I always thought
We were here.
braids for people.
Can we be in the shade?
We are in the shade.
No, well, stay in the shade.
I never told you that he's gonna propose to me. Make sure my nails are done. I'm wearing good stuff, and that there's music, my favorite music there.
I don't mind.
I never said that, babe.
Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai.
Don't ruin my socks. I got a new hair color, you guys. It's nice. All right, so like I said, we made it alive from kayaking. Nobody flipped over. And now we're gonna go, I think, to Lionel's house for a barbecue, for carne asada. But I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore. This is the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. Oh wait, did you guys have fun? Yeah. Would you guys do it again?
Yeah.
Me, depends with two.
Depends when you're rude.
You didn't ask me.
You didn't do any work.
Yeah, I did. Okay. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see